Today I'm taking a look at this mechanical tubing expander. Now it's got multiple sizes here from 3/8 all the way up to 1 1/8 and a bunch in between. Now I've reviewed products from this company before, this Rogvoc before, and been very happy with them. So let's see how we feel about this. Now this is a manual one. I do have a hydraulic one I've used as well, but you know, there's no reason why you have to have that because this works pretty easily. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the right size for your particular pipe. And I'm going with the 3/8, and that's going to fit inside here like so. And then we'll be able to expand that. What this is going to allow us to do is take another piece of 3/8 and go in, and that eliminates another fitting, and then we could just solder that together. So how this works is you would take and you screw this onto the tool like so. And then when you squeeze this, you can see it's expanding that piece out a little bit. So it's got a little wedge piece in there you saw, and then it opens that up and expands that tool. And while it's inside there, it expands the pipe as well. So we'll just stick that in there like so, and we're going to go ahead and expand it out. And you can see it expanding out just like that. So now you have a piece that you can turn around and take another piece, and it should slide right in there snugly. See, and yeah, there we go. Now you can turn around and heat this up and solder this, and you eliminate a second seam to leak or to have to solder. You only have one seam to solder now. So that really makes this tool very handy for doing stuff like this and expanding tubing and cutting out that extra fitting. You can see we have multiple sizes. Like I said, it goes all the way up to 1 7/8. I'm sorry, 1 1/8. So you can do some pretty big tubing with this unit as well. It does come with a deburrer, so when you cut off it, because it also comes with the pipe cutter here, and it has a little deburrer on it as well that you can use. Also, it comes with this deburrer, what you use once you make that cut. You put this inside there and clean up that burr inside, and it's ready to go. So a nice little set here that's going to do what you need to do when it comes to tubing and expanding and having to eliminate that extra fitting. To take this off, it's very easy. Just unscrew it. Make sure you back this off so it's out of the way. And you put it back in here, and this box keeps everything nice and neat. But you can see this cone shape here, and when I push this forward, it just pushes that cone shape forward, which causes that tool here, the die, to expand out and ultimately expand your pipe. So it's the same thing. I'll show you what it looks like on a bigger piece here. So when I squeeze this, see how that's expanding out, and that's what this is designed to do. And it brings it out the right amount, so the same size pipe will then slide into what this expanded. Very easy to use. Nice little setup for sure. What I like is it all goes right back in this nice toolbox here and keeps everything nice and neat for you. So when you need it, it is ready to go. Everything fits in here. It's everything you need to do its pipe expanding with all these different sizes. It has the instructions as well, but like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, and I want to thank them for that. This is definitely going to come in handy if you're doing refrigeration work or stuff like that and you need to put piping together and you want to use an expander. This certainly is going to do the trick. So hopefully this video, short video, is enough to show you a little bit about what it is, what you're going to get. So now, if you click that order button, you know exactly what you're going to get. But there you go. Hope this video helps you out.